Hey everyone, and welcome to the 18th video of this playlist in which I will show you 30 CSS properties in 30 days. And in this video I will show you how to create a 3D effect with the help of CSS in your website. So we will be using the property called transform, which I have already shown you in the previous video, but I have not shown you one more property of that transform, which is 3D, and how to use it to make your website look like 3D website. Okay, before starting this video, hit the like button, and if you are new, subscribe to Techie Web Dev and press all notifications so you will never miss any future videos. Now let's continue with our topic. And yeah, let's get started without wasting any more time. So in our website you can see we have some like two p tags and some random text here, and there is a container called div. Okay, so let me just target the p tag and increase its font size a little bit because it is hard to see it. Okay, so there we go. And now let's just do width fit content, and then give it a, let's say, give it a background color, let's say aqua. Alright, so yeah, there we go. And let's just also give it some margin, let's say 50 pixel, 0 50 pixel. So yeah. Alright, so this is looking good. And now let's target div tag also here, and also give it a background color, let's say lime green. Alright, so yeah, this is looking great. Now let's just decrease the opacity also, or we will do that later. Okay, so like to make a 3D effect. Okay, so to make a 3D effect you have to like set up few things. So we have a container called div. Okay, so we will come here in the div and we have to write transform style here, as you can see, and you have to write preserve 3D. As the name suggests, preserve 3D, it will like affect the sub like tags which are p tag and this paragraph to have a 3D effect in them. Okay, so make sure to write this in the container. Okay, inside the container which is div. Now now come here in p tag. Okay, so come here in p tag and write transform, because the 3D effect is inside transform. You can see a property called perspective. Let's remove this perspective first of all. Let's just do the property which we have already done before. Let's say rotate x and remove this angle from here. Let's say 40 degree, and rotate let's say y. Okay, and rotate y, and let's say also 40 degree. So if I'll just save it, you can see what is happening. Okay, and let's just do this transform inside div. Okay, not p. So as you can see here, the whole div tag is like rotated 40 degree with x axis and y axis. Okay, and like you can see it is not looking like 3D. Okay, so to make it like more 3D, you have to use this perspective property, and inside this you have to give a high value. Let's say we have given a small value of 10 pixel. So you can see like what is happening, and let's say we have given 100. So as you can see here, like it is coming to like 3D effect, but you have to give a high value, let's say 500. Okay, so yes, now it is something looking like good, but I will suggest you to use 1200 or 1000 or 1500, something like that. Okay, above 1000 it will be great. So let's just do 1200. So now as you can see here, it is looking more like 3D, okay, than before. Because before, if I just remove it, you can see before like it is looking like ugly. Okay, and now it is looking like more 3D and it has more life to it. Okay, so to understand, to make it a very cool effect, you can do this 3D effect like in a hover effect. Okay, so what I mean by that, I have also told you how to use hover effect in previous videos. So if I will just do this transform and write this in hover, now I will save it. Now whenever I am hovering it, as you can see here, it is just immediately changing to the 3D effect. So to make it more smoother, I have already told you, you can use transition. Okay, so let's just do 0.3 seconds and linear. So now I will just hover it. As you can see here, it is just more smooth and more like user friendly, and it is like looking beautiful. Okay, so this is how you can create a 3D effect. Okay, let me just show you few more examples, and let's just make it feel like more beautiful. So how you can do that, I will copy this whole down, and whenever you will hover the div, the p tag, okay, which is this tutorial and hello, will also change. But I will just remove this rotate one, and I will write transform, and I will write translate z axis. So take a look what will happen, and I have written translate z axis 100 pixel, and make sure to also like apply the transition effect in p tag also. Now if I will just hover it, you can see the transition effect, that the p tag is now translated 100 pixel above. Okay, so as you can see here, like it is just coming outside the screen. Do you see that it is just coming outside the screen and creating this awesome 3D effect? So yeah, this is the way you can do that. So even like to make it more beautiful, you can also add rotate z axis, okay, and give it a like minus value, let's say 30 degree. Alright, so as you can see here, so yeah, did you see that it is like looking very beautiful, and this is the way you can like create some awesome 3D effects. Okay, and let's just decrease the opacity here, let's say opacity 0.6 or something, and now you can see like the layer, okay, the bottom layer, you can see it is just shifting. Okay, so yeah, this is how you can create a very cool hover effect, hover 3D effect, and you can like apply this 3D effect into an animation, so that the animation will continue all the time in your website, and it will look very cool. So yeah, that's it for this video guys, and I hope you have learned how to create an awesome 3D effect in your website, and you will make your website even more cooler. And that's it for this video guys. I will see you in the next one.